Hello everyone, welcome back to channel. Today in front of you Canon PIXMA ink tank printer. The model number is G3470. There is error light is flashing and messages on the screen. If you will see support code 6000, printer error has occurred, turn power off and then back on again. Okay, in this video we will learn what is the cause of this support code 6000, what is the exact error and how to fix this. Stay with me and watch the complete video. Support code G6000 on Canon printers usually indicates a paper jam or an object obstructing the paper feed tray. To fix it, we have to turn off the printer and just disconnect the power cable, and we have to check if any jammed paper inside. We will lift the scanner cover. That we have to check all sides. We have to rotate manually this with the flat screwdriver. Let me get the flat screwdriver. You will rotate this roller. Maybe if the feeder roller is not rotating well, also this can be an issue. You have to rotate it manually forcefully with the flat screwdriver. Then if the ink carriage is on the left side, move it into the middle and find on the right and left both sides if any paper stuck inside. Okay, you can see I found it. You will see paper is jammed inside the gears, and these gears are not rotating. That's why printer is showing 6000 support code. So I will insert my hand and will remove the. Yeah, this was the paper we removed. It was inside, and now it looks clear. Before it was jamming inside the gears. Okay, manually with your hand rotate these gears. It should rotate well without any jam. And on the right side also check if any paper jam or debris inside. So now we will turn off the printer. I will turn back on to make sure is it working or not. Now we'll turn back on again. Before it was showing straight away support code 6000. Printer is initializing, booting up, and you can hear the sounds. And we will give also print command from the screen from here, nozzle test page. Okay, it's ready. There's no more error. I will print go maintenance nozzle check. Yes. Okay, gave the command print nozzle test page. You can see it's working fine. If you have any other question, you can ask down in the comments. Thank you for watching. All the best.